Hi friends and welcome. Here is a short and simple routine for the TMJ and teeth grinding areas. I hope it will also help you sleep better too. TMJ is the temporomandibular joint, which is just a fancy word for the jawbone that connects to your skull. Take your peace fingers right into the temple and just slowly slide them down until you reach the earlobe, where the earlobe meets, and then open and close the mouth. There is your TMJ joint. All right, before we begin, let's check in. Stress can gather here, and for tons of people, it lives in this area, right in the jaw, right in the neck, and in your shoulder lines, and sometimes through your thyroid and your vagus nerve that runs from the brain, through the ear, all the way down through the gut. And that's another topic that we'll go into. Lots and lots of stress can gather here for people. Maybe you're overworked, overwhelmed, overthinking, and it tends to put tons of tension and tons of pressure here on the joints and your teeth. So remember to check into your stress levels. Very, very, very important. Also, notice when you're sitting in a chair what your postural alignment is. Are you hunching forward? Are you chin dropping forward? Are you gathered and just diving into your work, which is awesome, I get it, but it also wreaks havoc on the body, creating more and more tension and more stress to the body. So postural alignment, very key, very important. Tuck chin in, ears over shoulder blades, tilting crown of the head just slightly forward. My teacher once said, imagine there's a meat hook in the base of your skull and it's lifting you up, tucking your chin in so that those bones of the spinal cord stack so that the life force can flow freely, my friends, and we can feel our best, give our best. All right, let's take a deep breath. So inhale through belly, ribs, chest, keep the spine tall. And exhale through chest, ribs, belly, nice ha sound. Again. Helps calm the heart. And then on the exhale, sigh all the stress out. All right, let's begin. Now take your left arm right into the shoulder line and your right hand right behind the ear. Yeah, just like that. It's a levator scapula stretch. Now tuck your chin in towards the left side and feel just a gentle tug. Ideally, that's the exhale. Inhale back to center. Exhale over and down to the side. When you reach over to right, look down to left. Just rinsing off all of the tension that can live here. Finding a reset. Take a nice squeeze, and it's really good to shake out when you're done. Other side. Right side traps, left side behind the ear. And there's a gentle push and a pull. So just start to go into discovery and feel just a range that works for you, friends. Nice slow in breath and out breath. Remember to keep the jaw soft and to float the tongue, ideally at the roof of the mouth. Again, squeeze, release, roll, and shake it out. Now, easy neck turns side to side. Remember to tuck the chin and find that good postural alignment. Inhale to center, exhale to sides. We'll take some easy neck glides down and up. Exhale down. Try to remember to soften the jaw, float the tongue, and inhale up. The neck is a tender place, so just move at a pace and a range of motion that works for you. Now we'll massage the masseter muscle, which is a very powerful closing muscle in the jaw, which tends to get very tired and very tight. So instead of massaging down and up, where the muscle fibers live, you'll massage side to side. So find the jawline right under the temple and forward of the face. And just glide the fingertips. Very slow and gentle. Remember to open the mouth, float the tongue, and push that chin back. Easy on the inhale and exhale. Now it's nice for the energy to release, so shaking it out, breathing out. Now the 2-finger TMJ massage. So a lot of tracing here just to find the areas. So you take the 2-finger pads right under the temple by the earlobe and forward, and start the massaging. Easy circles, kind of follow this bone structure, and go in and explore. This area can be tender and tight for lots of people, but in different areas. Maybe it's lower, maybe it's a little higher. So just go in, give yourself that self-care. Now the vagus nerve reset is with the V, or the peace fingers, and go in front of the ear and behind the ear. And this is such a beautiful reset to unfrazzle those nerves. Just trace up and down over the earlobe. Easy in breath, easy out breath. Now it's nice to trace the jaw and out through the tip of the chin. Inhale and let it exit. Let it out of the body. And shaking is such a reset, friends. 2 thumbs now and massage the TMJ area. So go in and explore, kind of feel the open close of the mouth, and then take fingers on top of the head. And slow circles. Tuck chin, soften jaw, float the tongue. And just breathe inhales easily, exhale slowly. When you feel a little heat in your body, that means we're circulating. And circulation that's happening is helping to dissolve blockages in the body. You're doing really great. Keep going. And gentle touch, gentle pressure goes a long way. Just a little bit goes a long way. Now the 4 fingers will go over the forehead and softly drag them out and down, kind of like melting face. Again, another way to exit all the energy. Trace up through the bridge of the nose, through the middle of the face, and again, great to do in the morning or before you go to bed. Put on some nice lotions or oils. In breath, push, rise, trace, and out breath, melt the energy away. Dissolving the tension. Trace again through the lymphatic, through the chin. In breath, and let it go. Nice little shake. Now we'll do a thyroid stretch, resetting this area, putting back some moisture and some blood circulation. The hand position is tricky, so it's either pinky line into the jaw, or sometimes it's nice to kind of crawl the hand up the chin line a little bit. Just find a comfortable place that you can softly turn the head and neck side to side. Remembering to keep the chin tucked in, the jaw soft, and the crown forward. The neck again is a tender place. Just go in and feel your way through that gently. Now take the fingertips right at the base of the skull, do some little pushes, and then trace the hands down the neck and then out and go. Shoulder reset. This is good if you sit for long periods. Just squeeze the scap, squeeze the back muscles from the side, keeping wrist, elbow, shoulder line pretty even from the back. Inhale and exhale. Good to do every 20 or so minutes. We're going into these areas of the body and just trying to find where the blockages might be held and how we can take these tools into our daily routine. Shake it out again. All right, let's warm the hands. And in Qigong, this is very powerful. They call it brushing, and we brush the energy. So let's trace the hands around the face. Just very slow slow practice. With this slow routine, I hope that the tension can start to relax and unwind. Remembering to check into your stress levels, into your posture, to your breathing, so you can dissolve all the grinding and the overwhelm and overstimulated TMJ. We'll go the other way. A simple practice, friends. I hope it helps, and may it be of benefit as a daily routine to your amazing practice. Doing more yoga, getting outside more, putting your feet in the earth. A special thank you to Felicity for sponsoring this video. Bring your hands together. Thank you so much for being here. Stay tuned for more. If you'd like to donate or sponsor a video, it's in my link. So thank you so much for subscribing and for hitting that like button. All right, friends, see you soon. Thanks.